You asked in Arabic, we'll have problems.
We'll try to answer that as well. Have every right to have an alliance. I think the Congress party has a tremendous amount to offer the people of Uttar Pradesh. So we will obviously do our best as the Congress party. We will fight for our ideology, and I think we might give a surprise or two to people about what the Congress party is capable of doing and how the Congress party can mobilize in Uttar Pradesh. Tremendous respect for Mayawati ji, for Mulayam Singh Yadav ji, for Akhilesh ji, and they're open to do what they choose. We will obviously fight the election in UP.
Ms. Gandhi. Lost a woman's vote because of these remarks.
No. That's not what I said, actually. What I said, and I was crystal clear about it, is that the Prime Minister has helped Mr. Anil Ambani steal 30,000 crore rupees. And the House of the People, the Lok Sabha, is where the Prime Minister should have defended himself. The Prime Minister chose to send another person. That person happened to be a woman. I would have made a very similar comment if it had been a man. I would have just said, chose to send a man. Do not impose your sexism on me. Okay, I'm very clear. The Prime Minister should have delivered that defense. The Prime Minister did not have the guts to deliver the defense, and the Prime Minister ran away from the House of Parliament. As simple as that. And by the way, the Raksha Mantri didn't deliver a defense either. There is a simple question that is being asked. Why did Mr. Anil Ambani get that contract? Why did he get 30,000?
Cooperation between India and UAE. What is the new to this relation?
What is new to this relation?
Yeah.
This has been a very old relationship and a very successful relationship. It has been a relationship of mutual benefit, of tolerance, of love and affection.
World in the Gulf and in the UAE. This is Shayan Shikhi from Arabian Business. Is there a way you can get them to vote for the elections? Because they've been asking for that to be put on the manifesto. That's my first question. The second is, Imran Khan's making quite a few overtures to, having talks with Narendra Modi, but nothing has come through that. Is that something you change? And third, is there a way you could get more businesses from the Gulf to, have IPOs in India? Because right now they're exploring doing that in other parts of the world.
The third question first. Bringing big business to India is fundamentally connected to the environment in India. And in fact, I don't know if you've read the newspapers, but India is facing a 14-year low, I think, with regards to investment flows into India. And the central reason is a couple of ill-advised and badly thought-out economic moves like demonetization and a poorly designed GST, and also the atmosphere that has been vitiated and spoiled. India is known for non-violence. India is known for its peace-loving nature. And when people look at India and see violence, they get worried. And so that is something that we're going to change. We will provide a peaceful environment. We will put an end to the division and the anger that is being spread by the BJP. And we will take some rational economic decisions. We will restructure the GST, and we will embrace investment from the Middle East and other parts of the world. So that's the first question. Second question about Pakistan. Look, I'm in the opposition. I'm not privy to the information the Prime Minister has. I will obviously act on the information when it is available to me. I'm all for peaceful relationship with Pakistan, but I will absolutely not tolerate violence being carried out against Indians, innocent Indians, by the Pakistani state. And that is the central issue here. You cannot carry out acts of terror in India and then expect India to talk kindly to you. First question, sorry, what was it? I mean, that's unlikely to happen in this election because that. आप तो जानते हैं अरुण जी.
अमेठी और रायबरेली 2 सीटें ऐसी थी कि इस महागठबंधन ने छोड़ी है कांग्रेस के लिए. एक संकेत दिया है कि पोस्ट पोल अलायंस अभी भी ऑप्शन उसके खुले हुए हैं. क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से, आपकी तरफ से भी इसी तरह का सिमिलर जेस्चर है कि आप आगे चल करके पोस्ट पोल अलायंस के लिए खुले हुए हैं?
मेरी पोजीशन बड़ी क्लियर है. मायावती जी ने और अखिलेश जी ने एक प्रकार से कांग्रेस पार्टी के बारे में उन्होंने थोड़ा गलत भी बोला, मगर हम उसको एक्सेप्ट करते हैं क्योंकि ये हमारा तरीका है. हम प्यार से राजनीति करते हैं, मगर फिर हम अपनी जगह बनाएंगे.
Mr. Gandhi, you just said you wanted to create a peaceful environment and bring India back to that sort of tolerance that you've been discussing. But in terms of concrete, immediate steps, what would you do? And you